Hello guys, I just want to quickly share with you what the setup I'm looking at for this week. And I'll be looking at GBP USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD because those three pairs they move together. They are correlated pairs. So that is why I always like to look at the three of them together. And this is GBP USD. If you look at my screen now, you will see that this is the last high we have here, and this is the last low we have here. You have a break of structure here, or break of supply, either structure or supply here. But the last high is here, our last low is here, and ever since the price has been ranging between the previous high and the previous low. We have not made a new high, so we can't really say we want to continue the uptrend now or the downtrend, but we are ranging now. But for us to look for a trading opportunity within this range, if you look at this place, I'm on weekly chart right now. You can see that from here, we have a shift to the downside from here. Then after that, we have a retracement. Since we have a shift down to the downside here, and we have a retracement to this place. So that means from this place, what we'll be looking at, or what I'm looking at, is a sell opportunity. And let's look at it very well on the daily time frame. What I'm trying to do right now is a top-down analysis, which I started from the weekly time frame. So now I'm on the daily time frame. If you look at the daily time frame, if you look at it together again, that we have been able to clarify that we are in an uptrend here, and from here, as I showed earlier on the weekly, that there is a shift now for a shift from this side to the downside, and this retracement, actually this is the first supply that we are looking at. We might have many supplies in the trend, okay, but nobody knows which one is going to be fulfilled, which one price is going to get to and reverse. But you must look at take note of all those supplies or all those levels. So the price has broken this particular one now that we are at this particular supply right now. So the only thing we can look at from here is sell. So what I'm looking at from this at this particular level now is sell opportunity. The only thing that will make me to be looking at buy opportunity is if the price break above this 2.28042. If the price break above this place and use this place as a support, then I can look for buy. But currently, since the price has not broken this particular supply that we have here, the only thing we can still be looking for in this market is sell opportunity. And if you look at this particular level now on this daily time frame, you can see that we have a rejection bar, a rejection pin bar here, and that is one of the things that we should take note of. That was how many days ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. Okay, that was Tuesday, 28th May 24. So we have a pin bar here. That's one sign that this price will reverse here. And at the second day, you can see that we have a move down, a downward move here, a sell, a huge candle sell here, and it's on the retracement again to retest this place. So if the price is rejected from this level again, that means we're going to we're going to sell. But before we can sell, we need a confirmation. Before we can sell, one of the confirmation that we need here is this pin bar to show that we're going to sell. But now, what are the other confirmation that we can look out for before we can begin to sell? If you're an aggressive trader, as soon as you see this pin bar, you can enter your sell and begin to sell immediately. You enter your sell here, put your stop loss here, then you let it run. But if you're a conservative trader, then you always look for a confirmation before you sell. Then we'll now begin to look for confirmation before we sell. This is the first confirmation that we have here. Now let's go down to 4 hours time frame to see how we can get our opportunity, a sell opportunity from there. And one of the things that is still confirming this thing for me that is going to sell is this thing we are looking, is this pattern we are looking at here. So what I'm looking at for now is pattern. I know I'm already at my level to look for a sell now, but before I click that sell button, I need to have a confirmation, and one of the confirmation that I'm waiting for is what is already for me here. If you look at this particular place now, At this level, you can say this one is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is our right shoulder. Okay, so that means we are trying to have the an head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern, is trying to form at this level. But the pattern is still forming. We can't do anything now until the pattern is completely formed. And what will make the pattern to completely form is if it breaks below this price here, this particular level, 1.26746. If the price is able to break below this 1.26746, then we say the pattern is completed and we have a sell confirmation. Then after the break, you can take your break and close. You can take yourself from there, or you let it break this trend line. There is also a trend line that I have here, that you can also wait for this trend line to be broken, this particular trend line. Or you can say that we have first touch, second touch. It might get to this trend line after a break, hit this trend line and return. So it will be better if after breaking this neckline here, this is the neckline for the neckline for the head and shoulder. So if it break this neckline and we also wait, it's better we also wait for it to break this trend line. Then after that, we wait for either a consolidation or a retracement, then a candle formation, then before we sell. So as far as I'm concerned, this GBP USD is going to sell, but the sell is not completely confirmed yet because the pattern is still forming. We need to wait for the pattern to completely form before we can begin to sell. So I'm still watching. This is one of the trades I'm waiting for this week. One of the setups that I'm watching out for this week. Now the next one I want to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD, if we do the same thing from a higher time frame, you can see we are in an uptrend here as well. But we have our last high here and we have our last low here. So that means the price is doing the same thing on Euro USD as well. We are in a range right now, but if you look at this particular range now, there is a shift to the downside as well on this Euro USD. So if you look at this particular candle, you can see this is an engulfing, and this engulfing cleared this low that we have here. That means it's retracing. Since this low has been destroyed here, so you need to retrace this engulfing pattern that we have here. So if we have a rejection at this point now, then from there we can say we want to take a sell. So now let us look at what is happening. And also, if you look at this last candle that was created 2 weeks ago, we are on weekly time frame now. This is last week candle. This is previous week, 2 weeks ago. The candle that was created 2 weeks ago. You can see that this long, huge bullish candle here with this next one form an inside bar. You understand that inside bar can stand as either a continuation candle formation or a reversal. But since we have a level here, we might be looking at it as a reversal. So if the price could break below this particular candle right now, then we say our sell is confirmed. But let's go down to lower time frame to see what is happening there. So if you look at the daily time frame right now, you can see that this level is actually showing very well here. The supply is actually showing very well here, and we can see the way we broke this particular demand at this place. So now the price is retracing to the leg that broke the demand, and now at this particular point right now, we are also looking for a confirmation from here. You can see when the price got to this place, we have a retracement. Okay, but the reason why I'm still a bit skeptical concerning this is that this is a support that we have here. The price got to this support and bounce back. So now we still need to be looking for a sell confirmation. But since we are at the level, at the supply level here, the only thing we can do is to look for a sell or a sell opportunity until this particular supply level is broken. If it's broken, then we cannot say, okay, we want to look for buy. But in as much as it is yet to be broken, the only thing we will be looking for now is this sell. So now let's go to 4 hours and see. But before I even go to 4 hours, let's look at the structure of the market to ascertain whether we're in a downtrend or not. If you look at it from here now, we are in an uptrend, but from here, there's a change of character, a retracement, then a a break of structure again, to this standard. So with this particular structure we have there, it shows we are in a downtrend. So what we'll be looking for is opportunity, and opportunities are where at our supply level. And since we are at our supply level here, that is why I'm looking for sell opportunity here. So now, but I can't still sell. That I'm at supply level doesn't mean that I'll begin to sell. So I still need the confirmation. So now if you go to 4 hours candle right now, see, what do we have on 4 hours? We can see that the 4 hours have started giving us lower low. Okay, this is a lower low, a break of a change of character here, a break of structure. So we are having lower low, and that is a signal that we are starting a downtrend. Okay, if you look at this place after a change of character, a retest, it gave us double top from here. A double top sign means a change in trend. So since we have this double top and we have a neckline break here, this is the double top here, the first top, the second top, and this is our neckline break. So since we have been able to clear this neckline, so I will see this one as a confirmation for a sale, and the price is able to retest, and it cannot even clear this place as well, to the top side. So if we're able to see, so what I'm looking now in this place now is a confirmation, for me to sell. So if I could get a confirmation from this particular leg now, a sell confirmation, then I'll begin to sell. So now let's look at 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to do. Well, if you see 1 hour now, you can see that 1 hour is actually giving us higher highs. So since we are still having higher highs, so we need a confirmation, a reversal pattern from this particular leg before we can begin to sell. So what I'm looking now on this Euro USD is if we can have a double rejection at this top, this price move up to this place and fail to give us an higher high. So if it's able to give us if it fails to give us an higher high from this particular level, then I will know that, okay, we are having a reversal pattern. Then after that, I will look for a neckline break. If you have that neckline break, then either after that waiting for consolidation or a retest, then a candle formation, then I'll begin to sell. So for this week, what I'm looking out for on GBP USD and Euro USD, we are both sell. They are sell, but the price is still forming. This is Monday. Let us see what's going to happen between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that is what I just had for you for this week. I said I should quickly share with you.